We are doing a walking tour of Asheville. Not just a walking tour of Asheville, but a walking brewery tour of Asheville. Not just a walking brewery tour of Asheville, but a dog-friendly walking brewery tour of Asheville. So come with us. And we're bringing our trusty and faithful friend, Odin. Odin, hello. Hello.
Yeah, oh, you excited? Yes, this is going to be fun. Fun.
She's 10 weeks, yeah.
Looks good. What'd you get?
Freak of nature, of course.
I figured. I have the pumpkin spiced latte, and as you can see, it is dark. It's a mixed brew. Can't tell you what's in it, but I can taste it.
Have you tried it?
Tastes like coffee. Interesting. Tastes more like coffee than pumpkin.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
His name's Odin. Yeah. What? You heard your name?
Hey, what'd you get?
I got a sour. You can't come to Wicked Weed without getting a sour. Odin, look, you're in the way.
Just over a year old. His last owner surrendered him.
All right, so we are on our way to Green Man, which is another brewery down here in Asheville, and so this is number 2. So things have been absolutely crazy with working my full-time job and winding down, getting ready to work my last day on October 29th and packing the house up. I mean, there's something every day, trying to plan our adventure. So it's pretty cool to just take a night off, and I have to say I was a little bit reluctant to do this when Alex and Marcus first brought it up. But now that I'm here, I think it's a great idea because I was feeling like we didn't have enough time to go out, and now that we're out, I'm feeling like we needed this break. And we're saying goodbye to Asheville.
Yeah, so you guys can sit there, and then anytime you film me, I get backlit.
Yeah,
Just watch my camera.
okay. Did you see if there was any ginger beer for me?
Oh, did you ask for that?
I did, but you may not have heard
I
me.
didn't hear you.
I'll go in. The bartender gave me a free ginger beer because I'm the designated driver. So that was pretty cool. So cheers to our last night in Asheville.
Yes. Skål.
And it is still warm enough to be in, well, you're not in a t-shirt, but we are.
I mean, I could be. I just didn't feel like carrying this around.
Yeah. We're sitting here at Green Man, and I have either forgotten or never asked what these guys are drinking, because as you all know, I'm drinking a ginger beer, but what are you drinking? Alex, what are you drinking?
Oh, it was a W name. We both have W name ones. Mine was like
Wayfarer or something.
Wayfarer. That's it. Wayfarer. It's like a citrus IPA. A little more bitter than I like my preferences, because it doesn't have a I think the citrus flavor is a little more bitter with the hops, so it's just kind of it's a slow drinker.
Okay.
But that was it's probably good to have a slow drinker.
At this point, when we're in the middle. How about you?
I want to say it was a West Coast IPA.
Okay.
And I mean, it's a hazy IPA, New England IPA. As you can see, it's hazy.
Very hazy.
But, you know, not my favorite hazy. I mean, obviously, Juicy Haze from New Belgium, my favorite. But it's good. It's good. I mean, do you like this one better than yours?
I like yours better than mine.
Right. Yeah. No, it's good. It's decent. I like it. I don't love it, but it's good. I mean,
cool.
I'm not complaining. It's beer. We were sitting here with like this really nice atmosphere, and then some guy comes over and turns on the lights. And now it's like, I feel like we're in a mall, you know, this like, or parking garage. So I don't know if that's, is it last call? What time do they close? Like, and it's like 9 o'clock. So this is last call.
That was
So
the big hint.
we're moving on.
Okay.
Let's walk down the alley to get to our next place, which is Asheville Brewery.
We'll follow the lights.
Okay. To the south slope we go.
If you come to Asheville and you're going to the breweries, then make sure you check the closing time, because Asheville Brewing is closing. So we're not going there, we're going somewhere else. So you just check Dissolver and it closes at 11?
11, and it's 9 now. So since they're open, well, I don't think we'll be out here later than 11. So we might as well just go there for 2 instead of. Well, normally the stop would be Asheville Brewing, but
They're closed.
They're closed, so we'll
Go to Dissolver.
Dissolver.
All right, and
Okay.
we'll try not to dissolve off too many beers. Hey, hon,
Yes.
there's the doors to your mansion.
Yeah, don't walk out into the street.
I won't.
It's Dissolver.
Oh, okay.
We're here.
Cool.
These are the cool doors to Dissolver.
Brain Goddess, which is 6.66%, so another on-brand one for my music. It's also a hazy.
A devil inside hazy.
Yeah.
I think I want where did I say? A Brain Goddess.
Brain Goddess.
Actually, I think my wife wants one too, but I'll wait for her to get here. Yeah. Okay, so 2 of these. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Awesome. Thanks.
We're all having the same beer, which is the one Alex got. Something
What? Brain what?
Brain Goddess.
Brain Goddess. All
That's
right.
you. You're the Brain Goddess.
Oh, well, thank you. I mean, what a compliment. All right, let's go.
Skull.
It is good. it's definitely got that haze to it.
Yeah. Did you ever figure out what that flavor was? I've been trying to place it. It might be the yeast. It could,
Probably,
because
yeah.
it almost has a unique yeast.
I think it's the yeast. We should definitely ask him.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll do that before we leave.
Okay.
Beer.
I like this a lot better than the one I had.
Okay.
At Green Man. Actually, and the sour I had at Wicked Weed was an interesting sour. It's probably not one I'd get again. Just because sours can either be like really, really good or just like, it's rare if I've had one that's just like really bad, but the one I had at Wicked Weed was kind of average.
Okay.
The Green Man one was too bitter for my mood tonight, but this one's got a unique flavor that I've been trying to place and can't, so it's been exciting to try and figure that out.
Cool.
I like the name and all that with it. What do you think of it?
I like it. I think it ranks about the same as the one I had at Green Man. Of course, the Freak of Nature at Wicked Weed has been my favorite, along with Circumnavigation and Innovations, but that's another story. But Freak of Nature at Wicked Weed is just really great. But this is a good hazy IPA, and I tend to like New England IPAs, so I'm happy. And I'm happy with the atmosphere. I love this place. It's really cool.
What'd you get this time?
I couldn't hear you over the music. What'd you say?
What'd you get this time?
I forget the name of it, but it was more of a piney IPA. There was one I really wanted to try, but you could only get it in 8 or 12 ounces.
Yeah.
And I just wanted a pint, but the one I might get the 8-ounce one just to try, but it was a vanilla marshmallow IPA.
Ooh, here comes your dad.
Yeah.
He's got one too. What'd you get?
Huh?
What'd you get?
Same thing.
Vanilla marshmallow?
No.
No.
Oh. Oh, hi. I don't think you need any more. Just
Oh, hi.
kidding, right?
Yes, just kidding. Hey, Alex,
Is it time?
it's time.
I have a beer that you can split.
Well, we're gonna get another beer. We'll see where you're at when you're done.
No, I don't want any more. I'm good.
Well, we'll
I've
see.
had my quota.
We'll see where you're at when you're done. Alex and I,
Split it.
we'll split it, but we're still getting another one because you're the designated driver again.
I know.
All right. Suit up.
Mask up.
Yeah.
All right. So Dissolver was the hidden gem of the night. That place was so cool. It was like, it just has great atmosphere. The beer was good. We highly recommend it. I think that is the hidden gem of this brewery tour.
So, what is your name?
My name is Nick Von Osen.
And do you play out other places, or are you
Just a busker.
Right now, I'm just busking. Yeah,
Awesome.
I play at
Well,
home and I play here.
We love it.
And,
I mean,
but I've got aspirations of recording, performing, on stage and whatnot too. So
Very
I won't be
cool.
here forever, but
Yeah.
I get a kick out of
Well,
just coming out here playing.
He's right there with you.
Play
'cause
bus.
he's, yeah.
I'm a singer-songwriter,
Oh,
but
nice.
I do more of I'm more on the production recording side of what I do. So like, I've had one gig at Highlands, but that was about it. So my live stuff is not as developed.
Well, he's a one-man show. So
Yeah.
he gets up there, and it's just him and his computer, and then he sings.
Because I compose everything on my computer.
That's
and
dope.
so it's a bit of electronic, bit of like classic rock, but I like
Right
the
on.
I
Yeah,
liked the cleanish sound you had, and
Thank
it just
you.
had a really cool.
Yeah,
vibe.
that's the
Yeah.
goal. You know, keep it real crisp and clean, and
Yeah.
you know, sharp, and but in the pocket. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.